ira ni muronire event irari kuria Dubai Stadium
kuri andu ange maratuturitie magoti-ini na riu ni muramenya nio me igoti-ini tha ici ndiranyita mundu itu tukuhoya Ngai atiriri macira manyu mathire ithe tiguo.
I am unhappy because one, they are mistreating Gachagua. Two, Gachagua led us to this mess. Ndio walikuwa na mikutano kwao wakipanga vile kondoo zitachukuliwa. Sasa ndio wao wako hospitali. No, don't clap. I'm not happy with the way Gachagua is being treated. But he's behaved badly when he was not being treated by Ruto. Yeye mwenyewe alituambia mimi na Ruto hatuwezi adikiana kitu. This is a gentleman and my word and his word is my... Look at the idiot now.
Undu uraganiria na statement icio cia MAINA NJENGA na Jeremy KIONI ni ati marahura Gachagua makimucokagia na mucie because at the end of all those speeches all the marauga me mwena wake, and we really hope that this will be a very good uniting factor for the Murima. We know Gachagua maybe ni ahetirie kuingira kuri atari na kiama giake, maybe all those things maundu macio mothe maraugo, but we hope that things are going to be okay. Watu wa Murima, speaking about Murima, kwina Murima Unity. Ndio kana ira ni muronire event irari kuria Dubai Stadium. Kurari event ya launch ya Sir James na Regina Waganiwe. Na in fact post ni marandikite no siasa. But unfortunately it turned out to be a political rally. No, ironania uria kirima ke United. Ado marihurite ko ta bomb kiriu. All the makinaga nyimbo cia Unity of the Mountain. Na nejoi it sent a signal. Hedumeriri iratumire kuri atongoria aria maybe mareciria kirima nikigayukanite. Akenya marihurite ko na federa cia Kenya. And one thing I noticed, dear Canada director wa kwaniro ni reguo, hehidi Uhuru Kenyatta arameneto muno with by a segment of Mount Kenya people. No thaishi, he is the uniting factor of Murima. Ona thaishi omothe auma kuria Nigeria, inauguration ya one of the people there. Auma inauguration Nigeria. No ona eja wa furori, he is the uniting factor of Mount Kenya right now. Efati ekuonia uria politics changes within days. One day you are hated by people, the other day you are the darling of the people. Uhuru Muigai wa Kenyatta hehede kinya augite mayaga ine mukerira. And now that maundu ni maroka makahanika uguo, people are really sorry to Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta. Especially ado akirima marauga Uhuru Muigai wa Kenyatta ne dauga pore on behalf of Murima people ne tuherete muno na nikyo twaguthondekeire birthday kuma muthenya wa Saturday irare your 63rd birthday ado makoretwo magi celebrate every place in Murima. Urona no keki mararenga ya birthday ya Uhuru, and ronire kuria Dubai Stadium ni mararengire keki ya Uhuru bado. Hena andu kuria Embu mararengire keki cirengetwo nyingi muno cia Uhuru. That should send a message that politics usiwahi weka kwa roho siasa. Mambo ya siasa usiwahi weka kwa roho. Kogwo ona thaici mutikauge na muthuire Ruto. Mutikauge Gachagua ate ne muru kana ne mwega. Because you never know the next move in politics. You never know. Ndongemenya kana rucio wokira Ruto acenjetie bururi kiriu. Na nditoguo ati ndiramu support ni mimi ni mtu ya Murima. Another thing that happened is that ira kwena igongona riu hena muteti ureto wetagwo MAINA NJENGA. He is the ex Mungeke leader na ni araugire ndaka address agota the ex Mungeke leader. No riri ni ria muisho ya mui gugota ex Mungeke leader. Na he has also been one of those people uniting Murima. undu mwe urangenirie na statement icio cia MAINA NJENGA na Jeremy KIONI ni ati marahura Gachagua makimucokagia na mucie, because at the end of all those speeches all the marauga me mwena wake, and we really hope that this will be a very good uniting factor for the Murima. We know Gachagua maybe ni ahetirie kuingira kuri atari na kiama giake, maybe all those things maundu macio mothe maraugo, but we hope that things are going to be okay and the Murima is going to be united as it has been. Ndio maoni makumegi oroshio, but I really feel that as much as we are uniting, we need to correct the mistakes that we did. Ndio maoni makumegi oroshio. I don't know what you guys think about that story. Maoni makuno andike hau utwire kuhana atia na kurathi atia.
Kalonzo Musyoka na ari angi ona ari akuria ruya ri ndimare mundu witagwo MAINA, ndimare mundu witagwo ki riu njamba ici ciothe ri tunyitane tuthie twi ha we ni uyu atiriri kuri andu angi maratuturitie magoti-ini na riu ni muramenya nio me igoti-ini tha ici ndiranyita mundu witu tukuhoya Ngai atiriri tukuhoya Ngai atiriri macira manyu mathire ithe tiguo Gikuyu Embu na Meru ri ndi kindu kiu ni tugwitikira tuthie hamwe twina thayu ndoga kirima kihutithio ndoga kirima kihutithio mundu rauga kirima tikihutio gwa iguru kirima gitihutithio handu katiguo ndogo thiururuka turathiururuka kiama na maundu mothe mesa aya meha ni ukirima ndi okay ndi amarauga ha ni ukirima.
I am unhappy because, one, they are mistreating Gachagua. Two, Gachagua led us to this mess. Hello? Unajua, nilisikia Waiguru, si mmetoka Kirinyaga, akisema hatutapeleka Ukambani. Hata yeye mwambie nyumbani mapema. So, as we continue doing some of these things, we also need to be taken through some therapy and counseling, kwa sababu we have been traumatized by some people. We want to move together as leaders. We want to rescue this country. Lakini pia mjue ya kwamba tunapoendelea kunao pia ambao wanaumia kwa vile because of the way they were injured. Hello? When they came for Uhuru's goats, walipochukua kondoo ya Uhuru, ile unasikia ikisema ni ukweli. The same people ndio walikuwa na mikutano kwao wakipanga vile kondoo zitachukuliwa. Sasa ndio wao wako hospitali. No, don't clap. I'm not happy with the way Gachagua is being treated. But he's behaved badly when he was not being treated by Ruto. Yeye mwenyewe alituambia mimi na Ruto hatuwezi adikiana kitu. This is a gentleman and my word and his word is my... Look at the idiot now. So we are looking at a country that must be